Check out this view on our walk this morning. Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. To all you amazing mothers. All my walking buddies are up there. I don't want to push myself too much. Except for Brody. He decided to stay with me. Right, Brody? Come on. Brody, come on. So I took a little break, and now I'm just enjoying this view. It is amazing. Such a wonderful view. You can hear all the birds singing. There he is. Little Brody. It's so amazing to finally get back into nature. It's been a while for me. What you doing, Brody? My knee is getting better and better. I just gotta make sure I don't overdo it. So grateful for this amazing view this morning. Being in nature is so important to me. I love it. Brody, you gotta stay with me, buddy. You gotta stay with me. I hope you're all enjoying your mothers on Mother's Day. Spoiling your wives, girlfriends, significant other, whatever. Being a mom is one of the most amazing things in my life. I love being a mom every single day. I have 4 beautiful children, 3 of which are older. Grown up, having babies, married. 2 older ones live at home, 1 with the grandbaby, and Matt, and little Loki, who is not little anymore, he's 9. And I am grateful for all of them. And I have a granddaughter, Jaden. So I have Clarissa, my oldest, who has Jaden, Matthew, my oldest son, and Tiggy, who is married to Josh. And Tegan doesn't live at home, but the other 3 do. And I have an amazing mommy who is with me on the walk today. So celebrate your mummies. Maybe take them for a nice walk here. Maybe not here, but somewhere nice in nature. Spoil them, take them out for breakfast or something, and make it an amazing day, everybody. You are worth it. Have fun on this day and go enjoy some nature, because it's wonderful. If you enjoy nature and you enjoy seeing our crazy family, then don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, then please like and share. And we will see you later.